Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. Today we are going to solve this problem. When x plus y plus z equals a, xy plus yz plus zx equals b, and xyz equals c, express x cubed y cubed plus y cubed z cubed plus z cubed x cubed in terms of a, b, and c. First, before we tackle this, let's think about easier problem. For example, how do we find the values of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed? Well, we use the famous factorization formula of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz. On the right hand side, this x squared plus y squared plus z squared is expressed like this, so we can express x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed in terms of a, b, and c. Now, what if we replace x, y, and z with xy, yz, and zx respectively? Then we obtain x cubed y cubed plus y cubed z cubed plus z cubed x cubed minus 3 xyz becomes xy times yz times zx, so x squared y squared z squared. So this equals xy plus yz plus zx times x squared y squared plus y squared z squared plus z squared x squared minus xy becomes xy times yz, so xy squared z minus yz becomes yz times zx, so yz squared x minus zx becomes zx times xy, so zx squared y. So moving 3x squared y squared z squared to the right hand side, we can solve for x cubed y cubed plus y cubed z cubed plus z cubed x cubed, which equals xy plus yz plus zx times this minus, and this part becomes minus xyz times x plus y plus z. So this plus 3 times xyz squared. Here, this is b, this is c, this is a, and this is c. So the only problematic part is x squared y squared plus y squared z squared plus z squared x squared. Here we use the formula for xy plus yz plus zx squared, which you can easily expand using the formula for x plus y plus z squared to obtain x squared y squared plus y squared z squared plus z squared x squared plus 2xyz times x plus y plus z. So x squared y squared plus y squared z squared plus z squared x squared equals xy plus yz plus zx squared minus 2xyz times x plus y plus z. If we substitute this expression in here, we obtain xy plus yz plus zx times, now we have xy plus yz plus zx squared. Then from here and here, we now have minus 3xyz times x plus y plus z. So this plus 3xyz squared. So we have b times b squared minus 3ac plus 3c squared. So b cubed minus 3abc plus 3c squared. And this is our answer. And that was all for today's video. If you want to find out how we can express these expressions in terms of a, b, and c defined in this video, please go check these videos as well, and also don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you in another video.